Imagine your backyard automatically responding to weather changes without you lifting a finger. Solar panels that track the sun, greenhouse vents that open when it gets too hot, or protective covers that deploy the moment rain starts falling. This isn't science fiction. It's what happens when you combine environmental sensors with linear actuators, and DIY engineers are building these systems right now. The magic happens through a simple but powerful concept. Sensors detect changes in your environment, a microcontroller processes that information, and linear actuators create the physical motion. Think of it as giving your outdoor spaces a nervous system that can sense and react. Let's talk practical applications. Light sensors can make your solar panels follow the sun throughout the day, maximizing energy capture. Temperature sensors trigger greenhouse ventilation or retractable awnings, maintaining perfect growing conditions or outdoor comfort. Motion detectors activate security barriers or privacy screens when someone approaches. Rain sensors instantly close skylights or deploy protective covers over sensitive equipment. For wind-sensitive installations, anemometers monitor wind speed and automatically retract vulnerable structures before damage occurs. The beauty is in combining multiple sensors. Imagine a pergola that adjusts based on sunlight, temperature, and wind conditions simultaneously. The control architecture typically involves a microcontroller like Arduino or Raspberry Pi reading sensor data, processing it through your programmed logic, then commanding actuators through relay modules or motor drivers. This creates truly intelligent automation that responds to multiple environmental factors. Whether you're protecting equipment, optimizing energy collection, or creating responsive outdoor living spaces, sensor-driven actuator systems transform static structures into dynamic, adaptive solutions. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.